So I just got my a7c from repairs because the thing is initially this camera is just working fine, but suddenly I found out that something wrong with the shutter button. When I press the shutter button, it's not staying pressed. So like sometimes when I do tracking for focus, it does not do that. It disconnects as soon as you press the button. So it should stay. I made a quick video for repairs, but I don't know if you want to watch it. I can put it up, but whatever. I can maybe put it in the comments. I'm not sure, but either way, yeah, you get the idea. Like you want to press the camera slowly and then try to recompose. Well, this camera disconnects the composition of the tracking once you press it for photos. So it shouldn't do that. I've tried to do all my cameras. It shouldn't do that. So I had it repaired. It took them weeks because the part was not available. And now the side of the camera, there's a bump. I don't know if they pressed it properly or I know what they did. I've sent them an email to check on it and if they can rectify it. One other thing also is that, I don't know if it's just an optical illusion, but this camera looks tilted. Like I can see, I'm going to show you using this camera here. I'm going to film it up. I'm just going to angle the lights up there. So as you can see, the camera looks, if you look at the camera there, let me just see. So you see that the focusing, it's like flat on. The guide says that it's on flat, but I'm looking at it. It's straight, but the camera's a bit tilted. I don't know if it's my angle that's doing that, but yeah, it's like it's a bit tilted. It's like this side here is raised. I don't know. It could be an optical illusion because my monitor is not straight. But yeah, definitely it's not straight. You can definitely check here, and then it's a bit tilted. It's worse in real life. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna have them check it again, and we'll see how it goes. I really love this camera here. I'm just so afraid I might sell it and get a maybe a7 IV. Yeah, a7 IV is good. It's just too heavy. The problem I have with a7 IV is it's just too big and just too heavy, which yeah, it is big. It's cool though. It has all the features that I need for vlogging and everything, but it's just too bulky and big. This one's so tiny, like you can drop it in your pocket or anything. And the only thing I didn't like about this camera is the shutter it sounds good, but it doesn't feel solid, and shutter speed goes around 4,000. So that's just it. And other than that, this camera works with all the things I needed to work with. It's full frame, it's so light, it's so good. Yeah, so just quick info. Anyway, I'll be posting out more videos in a few. It's just me talking about this camera right now. This is my favorite travel camera. I had one, I sold one, I got another one. Yeah, it's like it keeps on coming back. There, yeah, that's it. So yeah. And yeah, other thing that I found out is there's something bulging in the side here. I'll show you with this camera. And I covered it. So here it is. There's something bulging in the side. Definitely can feel it when you're like this one here. Definitely can feel it when you're like focusing with the camera or using it. But yeah, other than that, yeah, the camera works fine. Just the gyro. I'll try to put this camera there and see if it's fine. If it shows me the same thing, then it could be just a illusion on my end. But other than that, I'll give it a shot. I'll see. And if I'm not gonna update the video of anything else, saying that yeah, it's this, but it's really tilted. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it could be a virtual illusion because I'm trying to remove this camera off that tripod, and it shows me the correct angles, like correct level, and it looks good. So it could be a virtual illusion. So might be wrong, might be paranoid, but still, when I got it fixed, this side here is like bulging. So I'm gonna try to rectify that one out. Hey guys, this is the future me, and yeah, I'm editing this video and just realized there's some white thing on my hair. So that was for the medication I was trying to treat some skin tags and warts here. Yeah. Anyway, other than that, also the camera that I've discussed here, the a7c, I've sent it back for repairs again. I just got that one from repairs from Digicam. They did a good job with the repair. But yeah, I've seen when they close it, That's the part they didn't do a good job. When they closed it, there was something bulging there. Contacted them, sent me how do you call it? Can't think. Label for the mail, and yeah, I just packed them up. Somebody just picked it up, and yeah, so that thing's been picked up. It's gonna be sent back to Adelaide for fixing. I'm not sure if I'll be keeping. I love my A7C, but I'm not sure if I'll be keeping it. I'm seeing that FX30 came out, and then also I'm looking into going to A1s. I'm not sure yet, or maybe an A7 or 4. But I love my A7C. As of now, it could be because of that bulge that I don't like it anymore. I just want to replace it, or maybe get an M1 Max Studio for editing. But I don't know. I'm gonna see how it goes. I like the camera for travel and everything, but yeah, with the new cameras, there's 10-bit video. So like 10-bit video, man. That's 10-bit video. Anyway, that's it. Yeah. Hope you enjoy your day, and see you soon.